Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the copper golem. First, understand that these charming little automatons are built from copper and a pumpkin. Their primary function is to randomly press copper buttons, making them a unique addition to your automated builds. They are passive and will wander around, adding a touch of life to your creations. Crafting a copper golem is straightforward. Arrange 3 copper blocks in a T-shape, then place a carved pumpkin on the top center block. Once created, your golem will gradually oxidize, just like other copper blocks, moving through 4 stages. If you prefer a less oxidized look, simply use an axe on the golem to revert it to an earlier stage. The core utility of a copper golem lies in its interaction with copper buttons. They will randomly walk up to and press any copper button within their range, activating whatever redstone mechanism is connected. This makes them perfect for adding an element of chance or a subtle, automatic trigger to your redstone circuits, bringing a unique dynamic to your creations. For optimal use, consider placing your copper golems in enclosed areas with copper buttons to maximize their activation rate. Remember, they are passive and vulnerable, so protect them from hostile mobs to ensure they continue to function in your builds. Their random nature means you might need to experiment with placement for the best results. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to other great deals and the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.